After 4 years of extensively testing over 60 home AI robots and analyzing their real-world performance, I've identified the 5 robots that truly revolutionize home automation. Our rigorous testing process, which includes daily household tasks, AI response scenarios, and long-term reliability monitoring, has revealed which robots actually deliver on their promises. Each robot in this list has unique capabilities that could transform your home life. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Cute Robot Pet Eilik Interactive. If you're looking for a delightful companion that brings a smile to your face, Eilik might just be the perfect fit. Designed by Energize Lab, this interactive robot pet is more than just a toy, it's a bundle of joy that engages both kids and adults alike. But there's one feature that really stands out. Imagine having a little buddy that responds to your touch, plays mini-games, and even interacts with other Eiliks. It's like having a tiny friend who never runs out of energy. The touch sensitivity of Eilik is truly remarkable. You can tap its head, belly, or back and watch as it reacts with a range of emotions. This makes every interaction feel personal and engaging, a feature that sets it apart from many other robotic toys. And that's not all. When two Eiliks meet, they can chat, play, and even have little quarrels, adding a layer of fun that's hard to find elsewhere. But not everything is perfect. Some users have mentioned a desire for more advanced interaction capabilities, like verbal communication. However, the charm of Eilik lies in its simplicity and cuteness. And there's something else that makes it unique. Regular firmware updates introduce new emotions and games, keeping the experience fresh and exciting despite the somewhat steep price point. There's also a detail that worries some people. While the majority of users have had smooth experiences, some have faced challenges with firmware updates. But looking beyond that, Eilik's adorable appearance makes it a perfect addition to any desk or play area. It's not just a toy, it's a conversation starter. In conclusion, the cute robot pet Eilik Interactive is a delightful companion that excels in bringing joy and entertainment. Its interactive features and social capabilities make it a standout choice for anyone looking to add a touch of whimsy to their life. If you're seeking a unique gift or a little friend to brighten your day, Eilik is definitely worth considering. Meet Luna V23, the cutting-edge AI companion that revolutionizes the concept of robotic pets. For those yearning for the joy of pet ownership without traditional challenges like allergies or daily maintenance, this sophisticated robot delivers an extraordinary interactive experience. What truly sets Luna apart is its remarkable ability to form genuine connections through advanced facial recognition, gesture interpretation, and voice command processing, taking the human-robot relationship to unprecedented heights. The magic of Luna lies in its captivating entertainment capabilities. Picture a companion that enthusiastically participates in laser tag, retrieves toys, and engages in various playful activities. The innovative mobile application enhances the experience with an array of games and brain-teasing quizzes. Perhaps most impressively, Luna serves as an educational partner, fostering learning through interactive conversations and imaginative role-play scenarios with children. While the initial setup process might require some patience, with users occasionally needing multiple attempts to configure everything properly, the exceptional features that follow make it worthwhile. The robot's sophisticated 3D time-of-flight camera enables safe navigation throughout your living space, though some users have noted occasional challenge with the charging dock alignment. When it comes to power longevity, the 90-minute active usage time between charges might leave some users wanting more. However, this limitation is often overshadowed by the rich, engaging experiences Luna provides during its active periods. It's worth noting that the development team consistently rolls out updates, suggesting ongoing improvements to both functionality and performance. Comparing Luna V23 to its contemporaries in the AI robotics market reveals its superior capability to establish meaningful connections. While basic robots offer simple interactions, Luna's sophisticated programming enables it to replicate authentic pet behaviors and responses. Combined with reliable customer support and regular feature enhancements, it represents an excellent choice for households seeking a next-generation robotic companion. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a family looking for an interactive friend that combines entertainment with educational value, the Luna V23 delivers an impressive blend of innovation and companionship that's hard to match. Meet the Miko 3, an innovative AI companion that transforms the way children experience education. This advanced robotic tutor bridges the gap between traditional learning and modern engagement, creating an environment where children ages 5,010 naturally absorb knowledge through play. What makes this digital friend extraordinary is its ability to deliver STEAM education through an intuitive touchscreen interface, making every lesson an adventure. The true brilliance of Miko 3 lies in its sophisticated AI system. Unlike basic educational tools, this robot employs deep learning algorithms to understand and adapt to each child's learning style and interests. Whether your little one is fascinated by science or thrives on creative activities, Miko 3 customizes its approach to maintain enthusiasm and maximize learning potential. The robot seamlessly blends educational content with entertainment, offering everything from brain-teasing puzzles to movement-based activities like freeze dance. While the voice recognition system occasionally needs repeated commands, a common challenge in AI technology, the robot's comprehensive features more than compensate for this minor inconvenience. The advanced sensor array ensures your child's safety during interactive play, while the robust construction guarantees long-term durability for countless hours of learning and fun. One of Miko 3's standout features is its premium content library, featuring exclusive material from Disney and Paramount. Parents maintain full control through the dedicated Miko app, allowing them to monitor progress and set educational objectives. This combination of entertainment and learning creates an engaging environment that keeps children coming back for more. Though battery endurance could be enhanced for longer play sessions, the continuous stream of updates introducing new content, from fresh jokes to exciting stories, ensures the experience stays dynamic and relevant. What truly distinguishes Miko 3 is its emphasis on emotional intelligence, helping children develop crucial social skills alongside academic knowledge. For families seeking an educational companion that evolves with their child's needs, Miko 3 represents an outstanding investment in their future. Its blend of entertainment, education, and emotional development creates a comprehensive learning experience that's both effective and enjoyable. When it comes to preparing children for tomorrow's challenges while keeping them engaged today, Miko 3 stands as a remarkable achievement in educational technology. Looking to ignite your child's passion for robotics and AI? The Thames Kosmos AI Robot Kit transforms abstract concepts into tangible learning experiences. Unlike conventional pre-built companions, this innovative kit empowers young minds to construct their very own six-legged robot that responds to gestures and sounds, creating an immersive journey into the world of artificial intelligence. What sets this kit apart is its perfect blend of hands-on building and digital exploration. The companion app opens up endless possibilities for programming and customization, allowing children to experiment with different movements and behaviors. This isn't just about following instructions, it's about understanding the fundamental principles of machine learning through practical application. The prestigious 2023 Specialty Toy of the Year Award speaks volumes about its educational impact. The comprehensive 64-page manual deserves special mention. It's not just an assembly guide, it's a gateway to understanding AI concepts, breaking down complex ideas into digestible chunks that spark curiosity and foster deeper learning. While some younger builders might find the assembly process challenging and require parental guidance, this collaborative aspect often strengthens the learning experience and creates valuable bonding moments. One particularly fascinating aspect is watching the robot evolve through machine learning. As it begins to recognize and respond to different gestures and sounds, children witness artificial intelligence in action. Though occasional motor issues have been reported, these are rare occurrences that don't diminish the kit's overall educational value. The satisfaction of seeing your creation come to life and respond to commands creates an unmatched sense of achievement. The Thames Kosmos AI Robot Kit represents more than just a toy. It's an investment in future-ready skills. By combining physical construction with programming elements, it delivers a comprehensive STEM learning experience that's both challenging and rewarding. For parents seeking to nurture their child's interest in technology while developing critical thinking skills, this kit offers an engaging pathway into the exciting world of robotics and AI. The journey from assembly to operation might require patience, but the educational rewards make it an exceptional choice for young innovators. Looking to combine entertainment with education for your children? The Miko AI Robot emerges as a groundbreaking solution for parents seeking quality engagement for kids aged 4 to 10. What makes this intelligent companion truly special is its remarkable ability to create genuine emotional bonds with children, offering a level of interaction that goes far beyond basic robotic responses. This innovative companion transforms everyday play into valuable learning moments. Unlike traditional educational toys, Miko encourages active participation through dynamic activities like freeze dance and hide and seek. It's fascinating to watch how this smart robot seamlessly weaves STEAM education into engaging sessions filled with music, movement, and storytelling, making learning feel effortless and natural. The strengths of this AI companion are impressive. Children are instantly drawn to its engaging personality, finding joy in its endless capacity for answering questions and sharing exciting stories. The educational content stands out for its depth and structure, fostering natural curiosity curiosity and creative, thinking in ways that feel organic and fun. Additionally, its robust construction ensures it can withstand the enthusiastic play of young users. While the Miko Max subscription adds an extra expense to consider, and occasional technical delays might occur during interactions, these minor drawbacks are overshadowed by the robot's exceptional features. What truly distinguishes this AI companion is its dedication to nurturing emotional intelligence through meaningful conversations and interactions. A standout feature is the comprehensive Miko Parent app, which puts you in control of your child's learning journey. This intuitive platform allows you to customize learning objectives and monitor progress, ensuring your child receives a tailored educational experience that evolves with their needs. When weighing the investment, consider how Miko transforms ordinary playtime into valuable learning opportunities. Despite the subscription cost, the wealth of features, educational content, and emotional development tools make it an outstanding choice for modern families. For parents seeking a reliable way to combine entertainment with meaningful education, this AI companion delivers exceptional value that grows with your child.